Good morning everybody, this is Surendra Mittal. Today I will show you how to test milliamp in transmitter. This is our pressure transmitter and here we are going to check milliamp in transmitter. In fact, we are checking transmitter is fine, okay or not. So first of all, we have to check, we have to know about that how much input is required and how much output will transmit to PLC or any other instruments. Here first I'll tell you the 24 volt supply will come from the PLC and the negative of which is connected into positive of the transmitter, and after that the negative of the transmitter will go to the again it will go to the PLC in the form of 4 to 20 milliamp. So if you get the 4 to 20 milliamp signal between the 4 to 20 milliamp, then your transmitter is okay, your transmitter is fine, and otherwise it will be not okay. So how to check? Let's go for that. This is our first I will show you about the our ampere meter. Here we have set on milliamp, and this is our pressure transmitter. Now what we have to do, this is the positive which is coming from the PLC side, this is the negative, this is the negative. Now what we are doing, we are doing the we are connecting the multimeter in series with the transmitter. So first of all, we have connected the positive to the multimeter, positive of the multimeter, and negative of the multimeter connected with the positive of transmitter. So when we connected, the transmitter is showing the first chance that display will come in a transmitter. Now it is showing that transmitter is okay. Because our connection is okay, the circuit has been completed, the transmitter has been okay. Now we can check the value which is coming is 4.12 milliamp. That is fine. It means the transmitter is okay. Right now it is working okay. Again I will show you, and again I am showing the value. You can further check. Now it is showing 4.12 or 13 milliamp. That is fine. For that's it for today only. May God bless you. God make your day best. All the best. It's Surendra Mittal from Rakshit Electrical Project Work. Thank you once again. Thanks.